Hello everybody and welcome back. Well, this is our last tomatoes out of the freezer from the garden. We may have just a few left in a little greenhouse up there, but this will be it for canning tomatoes this year. It's sad to see it go. But I've got these tomatoes heating up in the roaster. Then I'm going to run it through the Victorio with the salsa attachment. I'm going to can up some crushed tomatoes to use in our chili over the winter. Here Daniel is running them through the Victorio. That's the salsa attachment. It kind of crushes up the tomatoes for me. If you don't have one of these, you will have to peel the tomatoes and then just put them in the pot and sort of crush them up as it gets warm. I've brought the tomatoes up to a boil, and then I'm going to fill the jars to 1/2 inch of headspace. First, I'm going to put in salt and citric acid. You can use lemon juice. I've got a teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. If you're using lemon juice, it's 2 tablespoons per quart. Then you debubble your jars, wipe the rim, put a lid on and ring, and then put it in your canner. Once it comes to a boil, you'll process for pints 35 minutes, for quarts 45 minutes. I'm above 1,000 feet, so I have to process for 50 minutes for quarts and 40 minutes for pints. And there you have it, some crushed tomatoes to go in our chili this winter. A little bit later, I'll be canning some more stuff, beans and maybe some soups and all for the winter. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a blessed day and come back and see us.